Penetration testing usually involves heavy hardware and dedicated laptops. However, a modern smartphone has the processing power to serve as a viable cybersecurity tool. Kali NetHunter is the mobile version of the industry-standard Kali Linux distribution, designed specifically for Android devices. The platform is organized into 3 tiers: full, light, and rootless. We are focusing on the rootless edition. This version runs as a standard app, allowing you to use these tools without modifying your phone's firmware or voiding the warranty. To get started, you need an unrooted Android phone, a stable internet connection, and enough internal storage to hold the Linux installation files. The rootless edition makes these tools accessible to anyone with a standard device. It allows a commercial phone to run enterprise-grade auditing software without any physical hardware modifications. First, download the NetHunter App Store. Since this isn't on the official Google Play Store, you must enable sideloading in your Android security settings to permit the installation. Once the store is ready, open the NetHunter app and select the Kali Troot Manager to begin the main installation. This creates a Troot container. This environment isolates the Linux system files from your main Android OS, ensuring that your phone's primary functions remain stable. However, mobile hardware presents a challenge for terminal work. Standard touch keyboards lack essential keys like Control, Alt, and Escape. You can fix this by downloading the Hacker keyboard from the NetHunter store and setting it as your active input method. By isolating the operating system in a sandbox and upgrading the interface, we ensure the phone remains functional while allowing you to type complex shell commands. While the core system is text-based, we use a tool called KEX, the Kali Desktop Experience, to generate a graphical user interface. Open the KEX settings and verify the VNC server credentials. These settings must be confirmed before the graphical session can start. You must rotate your phone into landscape mode. The Linux desktop environment is designed for widescreen monitor ratios and won't display correctly in portrait mode. With the phone horizontal, click Connect to begin the boot process. As shown here, the Android interface is replaced by the standard Kali Linux desktop wallpaper and its primary navigation bar. Opening the Applications menu confirms the setup is complete. You can see the full suite of tool categories, including the folders for information gathering and vulnerability analysis. KEX removes the command line barrier, allowing a mobile processor to support a full graphical workstation for security tasks. Navigating a desktop on a small screen can be difficult. Tapping icons directly often results in input errors. It is more effective to use the touchpad paradigm. Slide your finger across the glass to move the mouse cursor, rather than trying to tap specific buttons. Now, open the terminal from the top menu to perform initial system maintenance. In the terminal window, run the command apt-get update. This synchronizes your local software list with the official Kali mirrors. You can monitor the progress by looking at the data readouts at the bottom of the window, showing download speed and file size. Next, check this terminal output. Run apt-get upgrade to ensure that all pre-installed tools and exploit payloads are updated to their latest versions. Be aware that simply minimizing the app does not stop the session. The VNC server will continue to run in the background, which causes significant battery drain. To safely shut down, switch to the Termux application and execute the command kex stop to terminate all background processes. This setup is also expandable. You can connect your phone to an external monitor via HDMI or wireless casting to provide a larger workspace for more complex tasks. By completing this installation and learning the proper teardown procedure, you have successfully configured your phone to function as a mobile security testing platform.